Hello everyone, my name is Matt Rogers. In this video we're going to talk about the application called Educreations. Educreations is a digital whiteboard that is recordable. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do with it, both complex and fairly simple, and we're going to look at that now. When you open the app, you'll have the blank page as your first icon or thing that you see, but we're going to actually hit the Done button first to see the kind of framework that everything is held in. As you can see in the top left-hand column, you can add a new lesson. That's how you create a new document to work with. You can also share this app. That's something more so to help them than anything else. There's an ability once you've created a lesson to share to other devices via messages or emails or publishing, and you can also delete different lessons. One other neat activity or item at the bottom you can see are My Lessons. Those are lessons that you create, and also Featured. When you click on Featured, you'll get a series of different pre-created digitally recorded lessons. Whether you're trying to find something on fractions, you can see there, or cell transport, probably not anything you're going to really use at the elementary level that I would use, but there are a ton of different options that you can spend some time working on, but we're going to focus on creating our own. So when you hit New Lesson, you'll see the same screen you had before. On the top toolbar, you'll see a few features. Pretty simplistic, and that's kind of the goal of it all. You have the Done, and that takes you back to the home page. You have 4 colors to choose from. I can do black, blue, red, and green. Pretty easy. All right. There are no real variations, so that's what you stick to. In addition, you have the ability to add text. Okay, so if you tap somewhere, it'll create a text box, and you can add text to your document. You can import pictures either by taking a picture with your camera, uploading from your photos, using a Dropbox link, or search the web. I'll show you an example. Say I wanted to import this weather chart. I can bring it in, and then I can scale it different ways. Okay, so I could fit to the width or the height. I can rotate it or just get rid of it. I have an undo, this arrow up top, and a redo, and then you might have seen me use this earlier, an eraser button, and that allows me to erase. Since I don't have any drawings on there, it won't erase, but now it'll work. You can also create different slides. So if I wanted to have multiple series, say I have a few math problems I'm working on addition, one page might be 2 plus 2, the next one might be 4 plus 3, and the students can go through and show their work on multiple problems. You go back and forth with the other arrow. You can change the background, which can be helpful if you prefer to keep organization with the graphed paper or coordinated grids. Or you can duplicate the page, which is also a helpful thing. If you have, for instance, a division problem, you want to show multiple ways that you could solve that problem. The key to this application is the record button up top. What's really powerful is not only is it going to record what is written on the whiteboard, but also what is going on with the vocal aspect, the oral presentation, and the visual at the same time. This allows the students to create their descriptions in a really easy and nice, clean way. When I hit pause and I hit Done, I can then save the lesson. I'll add a title, and we'll just call this one Demo. I'm going to choose to make it private right now. Say we're doing mathematics, basic math. When you've saved, you can usually either use a free account, log in, or use your Google and Facebook to log in. And from there, what will happen is it'll show up in your home page that you can access at any time. Once I have this lesson, I can send it to various places. Okay, and that all comes through the signing in. So, as I said, pretty easy use, no way to really get lost, but a really neat tool that you'll be able to use this upcoming school year.